Hi guys, I'm WadaC2 from uklocksport.co.uk, and this is a video of single pin picking another Abus TITALIUM. It's one of the locks that was given to me by my great friend Stephen out there on YouTube, aka SSM0379, and I really love this lock. It is so light for the size of it. I say it's 50mm, sort of quite chunky, but I just can't get over how light that is. It's a 6-pin. It's the bitting on the key. Hope you can see that. I'm in the process of trying to get another camera for doing my videos, because this one does not autofocus during filming. So again, I do hope you can see the bit in there. Key working in the lock. Locked up. Like I say, it's a 6-pin. Tension wrench I'm going to use is a homebrew sort of flexi curved, and this works wonders because you don't tend to put too much tension on the lock, and you can adjust with the springiness due to the curve there. I'm going to be using Peterson gem. Start at the back and work to the front. Like I say, it's very light tension, but the glory of this tension wrench is you can adjust accordingly. Now found that once pins are set, I can then sort of go back and nip over, like I think it's pin 3, and that's where the tension needs to adjust slightly, and you feel the plug then sort of fully move over to pick the lock. See how we get on. So to the back, tension on. So, see that we're just tickling over sort of pin 3, I think again it was. So that's another Abus TITALIUM padlock, single pin picked. It's the 80 Ti/50. So if you are newbies to Locksport guys, why not come visit us at www.uklocksport.co.uk. Thanks for watching. Happy picking, and again, please keep it legal.